Hello everyone. Welcome to the reviews of wellness products. Today, we are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic for our health. Foods that are able to lower blood sugar. If you are looking for natural ways to control your sugar levels, this video is for you. So, grab your notebook and let's go. Understanding the importance of blood sugar control. Before we dive into the foods that can help lower blood sugar, it's important to understand the importance of maintaining stable levels of this sugar in our bodies. Blood sugar, or glucose, is an essential energy source for our bodies, but high levels can lead to health complications such as diabetes and heart disease. Foods that positively affect blood sugar levels. Now that we understand the importance of blood sugar control, let's dive into the foods that can help lower those levels. Always remembering that it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet. Avocado is an excellent choice for those looking to lower blood sugar levels. It is rich in fiber and healthy fats, which help keep glucose under control. In addition, avocados also contain potassium, which can help regulate sugar levels. Cinnamon is a spice rich in antioxidants and compounds that help in lowering blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that cinnamon may increase sensitivity to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating sugar in our body. Oats are a whole grain cereal that contains a soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber aids in decreasing the body's absorption of sugar as well as providing sustained energy throughout the day. Broccoli is a nutrient-packed, low-calorie vegetable. It contains sulforaphane, a substance that can help lower blood sugar levels and improve cardiovascular health. How to incorporate these foods into your diet? Now that we know some powerful foods for lowering blood sugar, it's time to learn how to incorporate them into our daily diet in a pleasant and tasty way. Avocado and cinnamon smoothie. A great option is to make a smoothie with avocado, cinnamon, and some almond milk. This combination will create a delicious taste and help keep your sugar levels stable. Oatmeal porridge with cinnamon. A comforting and healthy breakfast option is oatmeal porridge with cinnamon. Simply cook the oats in water or vegetable milk, add some cinnamon and enjoy this nutritious dish. Broccoli salad with avocado. For lunch, a broccoli salad with avocado is an excellent choice. Simply steam the broccoli, mix it with avocado slices and season with olive oil and lemon. This combination will create a refreshing and healthy meal. Extra tips for balancing blood sugar. In addition to incorporating the foods mentioned, here are some extra tips to help you keep your blood sugar levels in check. Exercise regularly. Regular physical exercise can help improve insulin sensitivity, which aids in blood sugar control. Walking, jogging, or any activity of your choice will bring significant benefits to your health. Avoid processed foods and refined sugars. Processed foods and refined sugars quickly raise blood sugar levels. Always prioritize whole and natural foods in your daily diet to maintain the necessary balance. Get enough sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for our body to function properly. Lack of sleep can negatively affect blood sugar levels. So make sure you have a proper sleep routine. Well folks, we have come to the end of this video on foods that can help lower blood sugar. Always remember to seek the advice of a professional and conduct appropriate tests before making any changes to your diet. Incorporating these foods and tips into your daily routine can bring significant benefits to your health. Take care and see you in the next video.